is this? Okay, this is your intercalated disc. What is a junctional complex absent in your intercalated disc? Uy, ano ang absent sa inyong intercalated disc? Sinabi na natin yung mga composition. Yung hindi natin sinama. Ano yung hindi natin sinama? Tight junction or your zonula occluded or your occluding junction. Diba? Naglalaro siya, hayaan mo siya. Ayaw niya matutulog. Huwag natin pilitin. And then what? What is this layer again, class? What layer is this? Uy! Section apple. Myocardium. What layer is this? This. What layer is where?
Arrange ata. Pero yung rooms hindi. Parang ganun. Magkaka-grade kami sa ano eh. Sa nagtanungan sila ng grade.
Pero hindi siya na.
What layer is... What layer is this, class? What is this layer? Epicardium. Okay, the outermost layer is also learned. Is also... It is also lined by your mesothelial cell, and that mesothelial cell is lined by simple squamous epithelium. Okay, and then of course your epicardium, you would see your collagen fibers, which are densely arranged and they are irregularly arranged. Therefore, this is a dense, irregular collagenous tissue. Okay? So, ulitin natin, ano yung ating organ? What is our organ? Heart. Okay? What is this layer? Layer endocardium. What is this layer? And the layer that we do not see afterwards? We just found outermost. Epicardium. What is the specific subtype of your epicardium? Dense, irregular collagenous tissue. Okay? And then what is this specific layer? Endothelium. What is this specific layer? Subendothelium. What is this specific layer? Subendocardium. What is that structure at pointer? Purkinje cells or fibers. Pwede yun. Purkinje cell, Purkinje fibers. Ano ang kanyang function?
Conduction.
Okay, they are your cardiac muscles specialized for conduction. Okay? Pwede nyo masabihin generate action potential. Okay. So, and then what? You have blood vessels that will deliver blood away from the heart. Do you call them what? Generally, blood vessels that would deliver blood away from the heart. Arteries towards the heart. Veins. So basically, this is a form of your artery. Like your heart, your blood vessels also have their layers. So you have 3 layers of your blood vessel. This is the lumen. Inside, you will have your tunica intima, which is the counterpart of your endocardium in the heart. This is your tunica adventitia, the red one, which is the counterpart of myocardium in the heart. I'm sorry, this is your tunica media. This is your tunica media, which is the counterpart of your myocardium in the heart. Pasensya na po, iba yung lumalabas sa bibig ko, sa siguro meron ako tinatawag na Broca's aphasia. Or hindi naman, maka-wording aphasia na kasi hindi ko naiintindihan ng sarili ko. Never mind.
Pwede po yun.
Hindi ako nakiintindihan.
Possible po. Baka po may sakit kayo.
Anyway, so and then this light-staining structure is your tunica adventitia. So this one is tunica adventitia, this one is tunica media, and this one is tunica intima. Like your heart, the endocardium, which is anong counterpart niya nga ulit sa blood vessel? Intima. Diba? Yung endocardium sa heart, ang counterpart sa blood vessel ay intima. Hindi ba may specific layers kayo ng endocardium? Ano yun? Endothelium, subendothelium, and subendocardium. Sa inyong blood vessel naman, ang intima is divided into three specific layers as well. The endothelium, the subendothelium, and the internal elastic lamina. Okay? So parehas din. Endothelium, subendothelium, but this time it is not subendocardium. It is now internal elastic lamina. These layers in your aorta is not prominent. You only have a very prominent lining epithelium. So if we look at them in low power field, so the organ, by the way, is aorta. It is an example of your large artery. Okay? You see there, that is your lining epithelium on the tip of pointer. Okay? Yung nasa tip ng pointer, siya yung lining epithelium. At karaniwan, ang lining epithelium natin ay simple squamous pag endothelium, except large artery. In your large artery, the lining epithelium is simple cuboidal or single layer of polygonal cell. So this is a simple cuboidal epithelium. Makikita nyo naman, pa-square siya. Diba? Ito, hindi siya flat na flat. But that is your simple cuboidal epithelium. Kaso nga lang, sira-sira na. Wala na naman. Tapos cuboidal na naman. Tapos sira na naman. Diba? So they are lined by simple cuboidal epithelium or single layer of polygonal cells. Wala siya subendothelium meron, tsaka internal elastic lamina, but they are not prominent in your aorta. Okay? So, ang organ natin ay aorta, layer at pointer, tunica intima, layer at pointer, tunica media, and then followed by the outermost, which is tunica adventitia. Okay? So this area here is your tunica adventitia. So this one here is tunica adventitia. This is tunica media. Oh, anong layer ulit? Ito. Tunica intima, specific layer at pointer. Endothelium. What is the lining epithelium of the endothelium of this organ? Simple cuboidal. And this is your tunica media. Generally, the tunica media is lined by what? Or is made up of what? Smooth muscle. Except na naman dito sa inyong large artery or your aorta. Aside from your smooth muscle, you also see this pink or this what? Red. Makikita niyo yung wavy. Yung mga wavy na yan, they are your elastic fibers. So these are your elastic fibers. So the tunica media of your aorta is made up not only of smooth muscles but also elastic fibers. Because they are made up of elastic fibers. Yung pink, ayan o, tingnan mo yung red, o tingnan mo. Tapos, magkugulo na naman. Tapos, ayun na naman. O, they are curly. So, parang buhok lang ng Miss Medicine na nasa tabi ko. Yung curly mami ba? So, basically, these are your elastic fibers. Okay? The tunica media of aorta is made up of smooth muscles and elastic fibers. However, generally, the tunica media should be made up of what?
Yung time nila, Dr. Kasama.
Only smooth muscles.
Siyempre na time.
Diba? Except this one.
Kaya nga,
That is why your aorta, it is classified as
Malungkot,
elastic
talis na siya
artery.
po.
Histologic classification, or it is classified based on
Plastic.
histology or based on anatomy as what? Elastic artery.
Napaka-plastic.
Based on function, it is classified as conducting artery. So based on function, it is classified as conducting artery. Punta tayo dito sa tunica adventitia. Ang layer na ito, tunica adventitia. Hanap tayo ng ayan. O, nakita niyo itong puro itim-itim na yan? That's your nervi vasorum. So this is a nerve inside your blood vessel. This is your